Clean, clear windows can change the feel of an entire room, but getting them that way isn't always as simple as it sounds. Streaks, residue, and overpowering smells are all too common with the wrong spray. Whether you're wiping down bathroom mirrors, car windshields, or glass tabletops, using the right cleaner makes all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down 6 of the best window cleaner sprays for 2025, all highly rated, easy to use, and made for real-world results. We'll cover key features, where they work best, and what to know before you buy. Links are in the description. Number 6. Sparkle Glass Cleaner Spray. Sparkle Glass Cleaner stands out immediately with its distinct purple liquid, a look that's become part of its quiet reputation among loyal users. While it may not be the most mainstream brand on the shelf, it's gained a steady following for one key reason. It gets the job done without the harshness. The standout feature here is its ammonia-free formula, which makes it safe for tinted windows, LCD screens, electronics, and other sensitive surfaces. That alone puts it in a different category from more aggressive cleaners. It's a great choice for people who are particular about what goes on their devices or car interiors. Sparkle is also designed to evaporate quickly, which means less wiping and less chance of leaving behind streaks or haze. It doesn't foam, but it does leave a dry finish that feels clean to the touch. There's also a noticeable lack of that sharp chemical smell you get from other brands. Instead, the scent is light, barely there, and doesn't linger in the room. The packaging is solid. The bottle has a good weight, the trigger is smooth and responsive, and it's comfortable to hold even during longer cleaning sessions. It sprays evenly without dripping or sputtering. It works well on mirrors, glass doors, chrome fixtures, and light bulbs, basically any smooth surface where clarity matters. The only real downside is the price. It's not the cheapest per ounce, especially when compared to larger name brands. Still, for those who are sensitive to stronger cleaners or need something safer for specialty surfaces, Sparkle makes a reliable, gentle option. Number 5. Chemical Guys Streak-Free Glass Cleaner. Chemical Guys is a brand that's well known in the car detailing world, and their streak-free glass cleaner is a go-to product for anyone who wants crystal-clear results without risking damage to sensitive surfaces. It's built around the idea of high-performance cleaning with minimal fuss and no harsh ingredients. The formula is ammonia-free, which makes it safe for use on a wide variety of surfaces, including tinted windows, navigation screens, dashboard displays, and even helmet visors. It's a popular choice among car enthusiasts because it doesn't cause fading or discoloration over time. There are no added dyes or strong fragrances, which means no artificial scent lingering after use. The spray goes on clear, wipes clean, and leaves almost no trace behind. Just a polished, streak-free finish that reflects light well without distortion. One of the biggest strengths of this cleaner is how well it performs on both interior and exterior glass, especially in vehicles. It clings to the surface without dripping, which helps when cleaning vertical areas like windshields or side windows. That same benefit makes it just as effective on home surfaces like TV screens, mirrors, or glass tables. The scent is subtle to the point of being nearly undetectable, which makes it a solid pick for anyone sensitive to smells. The only real downside is the cost. It's priced higher per ounce than standard household window cleaners, but that's often expected with specialty detailing products. For anyone who's serious about clean, clear glass, especially in cars, Chemical Guys delivers precision and quality that's hard to beat. Number 4. Glass Plus Glass Cleaner. Glass Plus has long been a dependable name in the world of household cleaning, and its glass cleaner spray continues to hold its spot as a budget-friendly, reliable option for everyday use. It's widely available, easy to find in stores or online, and checks a lot of boxes for people who want a general-purpose glass cleaner that's both affordable and effective. The formula is free of ammonia, alcohol, and phosphates, which makes it a gentler option for families, apartments, and even light commercial spaces. That also means it's safe to use on more than just windows. It works well on appliances, chrome fixtures, countertops, plexiglass, and even certain electronics. One of the cleaner's best features is its mild, fresh scent. It doesn't overpower the room or leave behind any lingering chemical smell, which is a common complaint with stronger glass cleaners. The spray applies in a wide, even mist, covering large areas with minimal effort, thanks to a well-designed trigger that's easy to control. There's also a large bottle option available, which makes it cost-effective for people who clean often or have a lot of surfaces to cover. You're getting decent cleaning power at a good price, especially for regular household upkeep. That said, it may require a second pass on heavily soiled surfaces or greasy kitchen windows since the formula is milder by design. Overall, Glass Plus is a solid, all-around choice for general use. It's a cleaner that gets the job done without the frills or the price tag, and it remains a favorite for everyday window and surface cleaning tasks. Number 3. Invisible Glass Glass Cleaner. Invisible glass is one of those products that quietly earns its reputation through performance. Originally designed for automotive glass, it's become a go-to solution not just for car owners, but also for households and professionals who care about clear, spotless results without residue. Its biggest draw is the non-foaming, clear-drying formula. Unlike some cleaners that leave behind a light film or haze, this one lives up to its name by evaporating clean. No streaks, no residue, just invisible clarity. It's especially useful for areas where light reflection matters, like mirrors, windshields, or glass tabletops. The formula is both ammonia-free and fragrance-free, making it ideal for users who are sensitive to strong smells or prefer low-chemical cleaning. Despite being gentle, it handles fingerprints, dust, road grime, and even dried-on bugs with very little effort. It's available in two formats, a standard spray bottle and an aerosol foam version. The spray bottle is great for regular use, while the foam clings better to vertical surfaces, reducing runoff during application. The ergonomic design of the spray trigger makes it comfortable to hold even for extended cleaning jobs. It feels solid and responsive, giving users more control over application. The only thing to keep in mind is that it dries quickly, especially in direct sunlight or on hot surfaces. That means you'll want to wipe it down promptly to avoid any leftover spots. For anyone seeking a high-precision clean, whether on a car windshield, bathroom mirror, or glass stovetop, Invisible Glass offers a solid blend of performance, safety, and reliability. Number 2. Windex Glass and Window Cleaner. Windex is easily one of the most recognizable names in the world of glass cleaning. For decades, it's been a staple in households, offices, and commercial settings, praised for its consistent performance and fast-acting formula. The classic ammonia-based version is known for cutting through grime, grease, and fingerprints with very little effort. It's especially effective in kitchens and bathrooms, where tougher buildup is common. It sprays on smoothly, wipes off cleanly, and delivers a streak-free shine almost every time. Over the years, Windex has expanded its line to include ammonia-free, vinegar-based, and multi-surface options, making it more versatile depending on the surface or user preference. But the original blue formula still remains the go-to for most glass surfaces, like windows, mirrors, and tabletops. It's also highly efficient. The spray doesn't drip or oversaturate the surface, and it evaporates quickly, reducing the need for repeated wiping. That's part of why it's trusted in both home and commercial environments. One thing worth noting is the strong scent. It's clean and familiar to many, but may be overpowering for those sensitive to chemical smells. While Windex works great on standard glass, it's not always ideal for tinted windows or delicate screens, as the ammonia can potentially cause damage over time. For those surfaces, one of the ammonia-free versions might be the safer bet. Still, if you need a reliable cleaner that works fast and delivers results across a wide range of everyday glass surfaces, Windex remains one of the most dependable options available. Number 1. Sprayway Glass Cleaner. Sprayway Glass Cleaner has earned its reputation as a top-tier choice for both home and professional use. You'll find it in commercial offices, restaurants, and auto shops, not just because it works, but because it works reliably, even under frequent use. What makes Sprayway stand out is its aerosol foam format. Unlike standard liquid sprays, the thick foam clings to vertical surfaces, giving you more control with less runoff. That means fewer drips and a more manageable clean, especially on windows, glass doors, and large mirrors. The formula is ammonia-free, which makes it safe for tinted windows, electronics, and other delicate surfaces. Despite being gentle, it delivers a crisp, streak-free finish with a slight polished look that gives glass a freshly clean appearance without any smudges or haze. It's known for spreading evenly and requiring minimal buffing, which helps reduce time spent wiping. The light, clean scent is noticeable but not harsh, making it a solid option for people who don't want lingering chemical smells. Sprayway is also available in multi-pack bundles, making it a practical option for businesses or households that go through glass cleaner quickly. However, one minor drawback is availability. It's not always stocked in local grocery or big box stores, so many users end up ordering it online. If you're looking for a glass cleaner that delivers professional-grade results with less effort, Sprayway consistently rises to the top. It's a favorite for a reason and remains one of the most effective, user-friendly options on the market. That wraps up our list of the top 6 window cleaner sprays for 2025. Whether you're looking for ammonia-free options, a foam-based spray, or something safe for tinted glass and electronics, there's a cleaner here that fits the job. Keep in mind your main use, whether it's for the car, around the house, or for multi-surface cleaning, and choose the product that matches your needs. You'll find all the links to the sprays we covered in the description below. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop your favorite pick in the comments, and subscribe for more breakdowns like this.